Inland, lights and shapes. Rule 23, power-driven vessels underway. Section 83.23.
The power-driven vessel could be just drifting, not at anchor, not docked or tied to a fixed structure.
A power-driven vessel underway shall exhibit a masthead light forward, a second masthead light abaft of and higher than the forward one, except that a vessel of less than 50 meters in length shall not be obliged to exhibit such light, but may do so.
This is important to note. A vessel less than 50 meters may opt to carry a second masthead light,
side lights, and a stern light. An air-cushioned vessel, when operating in the non-displacement mode, shall, in addition to the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit an all-round flashing yellow light where it can best be seen.
Non-displacement mode, according to the Code of Federal Regulations, means a mode of operation in which the vessel is supported by hydrodynamic forces rather than displacement of its weight in the water.
A wig craft only when taking off, landing, and in flight near the surface shall, in addition to the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit a high-intensity, all-round flashing red light.
Any other time when underway, other than those times mentioned in this paragraph, a wig will be lit as a power-driven vessel.
A power-driven vessel of less than 12 meters in length may, in lieu of the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit an all-round white light and side lights.
A power-driven vessel of less than 12 meters in length may show an all-round white light instead of masthead light and stern light. Side lights are still required.
A power-driven vessel, when operating on the Great Lakes, may carry an all-round white light in lieu of the second masthead light and stern light prescribed in paragraph A of this rule. The light shall be carried in the position of the second masthead light and be visible at the same minimum range.